Hey everyone, I stopped by my local Dollar General. I think everybody has at least $4 stores in their neighborhood. But mine is really cool in that they told me that I could have this cardboard anytime I want. And the guy who normally works there and gives this to me wasn't there. So the person who was working the counter said, "You're more than welcome to have it, just don't make a mess." So I was able to go to the back, didn't film myself getting it, but I try to make sure that I just got, because they had some that was white and then had blue print on it. I just tried to get just a plain cardboard. I'm going to take these labels off as best I can, but we're expecting a lot of rain. This is primarily to help to build up my soil, but I'm also going to use it shredded up for my worm bin. So that's about it. About half of it is gone. I had a lot more than this, but I'd started taking it out of the car, and then I remembered that I wanted to video this. So if you have a dollar store, it's kind of hit or miss with Walmart. Someone was telling me that they don't like to give away their cardboard. Maybe that's just in my area. But if you have a dollar store, they invited me to go to the back and told me to get what I wanted. All right. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.